Okay guys, so far we've actually been making our changes to our master branch, but do you know that you can also create another branch apart from this master branch? Now, what do we mean by creating another branch? What do you mean by another branch? This is basically like a copy of this your master branch. It's going to have all the content of this your master branch. How do I put this? This, like, let's say creating another branch means duplicating your master or main branch, duplicating it so that so that you can isolate the duplicate and then work on it, make changes to it, and then merge it back to your master branch. This is used by software devs for collaboration on projects. This is what collaboration basically means. Let's say you and a coworker want to work on a project, want to work on different aspects of the same project. Both of you can go ahead and create separate branches. You create your branch, your coworker will create his own branch. Then once you all are done making your changes, once you're satisfied with your modified changes, then you can go ahead and merge it back to this your master branch. So let's just get right to it. To create our new branch, we'll enter this command. Enter this command git branch, then our new branch name, let's call it key branch, then hit enter. Then I've successfully created our new branch. To check if our new branch has been created, you just hit git branch. As you can see, before now we only had our master branch, and we just created this our new branch called geeky branch. So what I was trying to explain is that this our geeky branch is a duplicate of this our master branch. So any change we want to make, any modifications we want to make, we can make it to this, we can modify this our geeky branch. Then once we are done, once we are satisfied with whatever changes we have made, we can now go ahead and merge it back to our master branch. So this is how you create a new branch. So what we want to do now is we'll go ahead and switch using the command git switch and your new branch name, geeky branch, then hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully switched to geeky branch. Then remember to check the branch you're on and the branches that you have created. You just hit the command git branch, git branch. As you can see, this asterisk has moved from master to geeky branch. So this is the branch we are currently on now. So now that we are currently on this branch inside our git series, we'll go ahead and we'll head into our file explorer, our git series. We'll head into our file explorer. Now, one thing you should know is that all these files that are here now, they are not in our master branch, they are in our geeky branch. So any change we make here is going to be applied to our geeky branch, and once we switch it back to our master, we cannot see the changes we have made unless we merged our geeky branch into our master branch. That's the only point where we see the changes we have made. So let's go ahead and edit our home.js file. Open with Notepad. Let's say want to animate links and buttons. Animate links and buttons. Then what else do I change here? Hamburger animation. Okay, let's just leave it at this. Animate links and buttons. Then go ahead and save. You hit save. Now I've successfully modified our file. Remember what I told you. Let's say you and your teammates, both of you are working on a project, and you want to work on this project, he wants to work on another project. Once you're done with your project, you're satisfied with your change, you can now head back after you've created your branch and so after you have created your copy branch and then you modified your file, you can now head back to your git bash or whatever terminal you're making use of, and then let's go ahead and hit to show your to explain to you better. Let's go ahead and hit our favorite command, git status. As you can see, it says we are on branch geeky branch and we modified our home.js file. So you use git status to check the status of your repository, and as you can see, we just modified our home.js file. So we're going to commit our change to this our new branch, this our geeky branch. So to commit your change, you enter the command git commit. So git commit dash a dash message. What should we use for our message? Let's say, okay. Created new branch and hit enter. As you can see, we have successfully committed our change to our geeky branch. Hey guys, this is a quiz to make sure you learned something from the session today. Kindly leave your answers in the comment section. Thank you.